Tips for applying for DV 2025. Tip 1. Read the instructions at dvprogram.state.gov to find out if you qualify. Do not enter if you do not meet the qualifications. Tip 2. Only rely on U.S. government websites. Sites ending in .gov are the only official source of DV 2025 information.
Tip 3. Go to dvprogram.state.gov to submit your entry. This is the only way to enter. Do not be fooled by scams or fraudulent sites. Tip 4. There is no fee to enter. Beware of those who claim they can improve your chances if you pay them, or who offer to complete your application for free. Tip 5. Use a photo taken in the last 6 months. Using an old photo will disqualify you. Tip 6. Only submit one entry per person. Individuals with more than one primary entry per DV season will be disqualified. Tip 7. Remember to list your spouse and all unmarried children under the age of 21 in your application, even if they will not be traveling or immigrating with you. Incorrect or missing information in your entry can mean disqualification, even after you are selected. Tip 8. Keep your unique confirmation number. You will need this to check the status of the entry when selections are made in May 2024. Tip 9. Selections will be made in May 2024. The website dvprogram.state.gov/esc is the only way to see if you were selected. Do not be fooled by any letter or email announcements. These are scams. Tip 10. Remember, being selected does not guarantee you an interview or a visa.